Hey, it's Race going over Mod 3. For number one, after watching the videos, I thought that pretty much the same thing I have always thought. The internet has changed the world as we know it. People no longer need to look up a word in the dictionary. They can just, look it up on Google on their phone. I think the internet has just changed the way that people think, people gain information. I think the main primary messages of the video was like internet and like social media and stuff is keeping everyone connected. And it's not just for entertainment, it's literally connecting human interactions together. I think that as a future teacher, internet will help tremendously, especially right now during COVID. It will help us with actually teaching while students are in quarantine and help further their education without actually being in class. Just like how I'm doing, because I'm not going to in class, I'm doing it all online. The podcast I listened to was actually about the connection between brain injuries and crime. She went into depth about how it was like 50 to 80% of people that are in jail and in prison have a brain injury compared to like 5% of regular people walking around outside, like in stores and stuff. I feel like podcasting could help in the classroom because like COVID, people are in quarantine, you can't give them lectures, but you can record it and go through a podcast system to upload it, and that way your students can listen to that. Certain social media should be allowed, like YouTube, very educational. Depends on what you're watching though. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, I don't believe there could be used in actual classrooms just because people won't use them for the right purposes, but YouTube I feel like should be allowed because it offers a lot of educational useful stuff. The cloud-based bookmarking tool that I utilized was the iCloud because I have an iPhone, so I just thought that was easier, but I feel like to get to it and to actually use it was way more complicated than just leaving a tab open on your internet browser. By just leaving a tab open, you can just go straight back to it or put it in your memos, which that's what I usually do a lot, is just use it in memos, copy link, send it in my memos, and write down like my to-do list and all that. I just think it's way easier to use memos rather than that bookmarking tool. Thank you.